Guess what we're going to do today? I just learned on YouTube how to do a lark's head knot for hanging these fancy kind of picture wire things. So I thought I would share how I did it and how I learned. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. But from what I learned, you want the wire to have enough slack in it so that it can hang up to about here without going up above your picture. So I'm going to go to about there, and I placed my hooks about 1/3 of the way down the picture. So hopefully I'm doing this right. And then I'm going to give myself about 3 or 4 extra inches to work with because I probably need all the help I can get. And I got my wire cutters. I'm going to cut it here. Boom. And then first, you don't go up through, you go down through the top of the wire. And then you want to make sure you have enough slack there. Okay, so I went down through the top, down through, and then I'm crossing over the long part of the wire. Then, you see how I have a cross there? Then I'm going to go back up through the hardware, like so. And then, see how I have this loop up here? I'm going to go back through the loop. I'm going to go through this hole on the top. And then I'm going to pull until it gets tight. And this, hopefully, yep, that's right. And I keep pulling it until I get it to the tightness that I want, which this is not as easy as I want it to be. And that makes it so the wire isn't going to slip anymore once I get it to the right tightness. And that, see, is a lark's head knot. Then all this extra stuff, okay, I hope that's, okay. All this extra stuff, the lady basically, she just wrapped it really nicely and tight in a coil around the wire. Like so. And then I think she snipped off the extra. Like that. Check it out. I did it. And that is your tutorial for today.